Welcome to your Cellular Rejuvenation Transmission. I'm here with you. Lie down or sit comfortably. Feel your body being supported. No effort, no holding, just pure ease. You are safe in this moment. Let your breathing soften. Let your exhale lengthen. Today, we are speaking to the intelligence within your cells, to the ecosystem within you that knows how to rejuvenate spontaneously, to glow effortlessly. This transmission is cellular, grounded biological devotion to the flow of creation. Take a deep breath in through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Your body is shifting into repair now. It is shifting into deep renewal mode, and you are more than ever connected to your cells. Dear cells, you are now remembering your original blueprint, your original state before stress, before fear, before adaptation. You are all communicating in coherence with each other. You remember vitality. You remember elasticity. You remember radiance. I activate that memory now. Each cell receives oxygen abundantly. Each cell receives nourishment effortlessly. Each cell releases waste automatically. My body is not aging against me. It is renewing through me. Time inside my body moves in cycles, not in decline. My mitochondria produce energy efficiently and cleanly. ATP flows in optimal amounts. Inflammation is low and regulated. My gut microbiome is balanced and diverse. Nutrients are absorbed fully. Toxins are eliminated smoothly. My metabolism is optimum. My liver detoxifies effortlessly. My lymphatic system circulates freely. My blood carries oxygen richly to every tissue. My hormones are balanced and synchronized. Estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, insulin, all in a harmonious rhythm. My nervous system spends most of its time in parasympathetic restoration. My fascia is hydrated. My spine is aligned. My lower back is supported and free. Collagen forms naturally. Skin cells regenerate efficiently. Hair follicles are nourished. Muscles respond with tone and ease. Cellular repair mechanisms are active. My tissues soften and rebuild. My body prioritizes longevity. I am not fighting my biology. I am cooperating with it. My body trusts my thoughts. My body trusts my pace. My body trusts my safety. And because of that, it thrives. My cells are coherent. My body is intelligent. I support my biology. I am in perfect physiological harmony. My health is self-sustaining, and I breathe softly. I do not force youth. I allow regeneration. Deep sleep becomes my norm, and it amplifies repair. My body restores overnight, every night. Inflammation dissolves. Stress leaves the system. I wake up every day feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, restored. Joy becomes chemistry. Pleasure becomes medicine. I embody vitality as identity. I am not chasing youth. I am expressing life. My cells respond to who I believe I am, and I choose to believe in renewal, in vitality, in radiant longevity. My body knows how to rejuvenate, and it is doing so now. I rest, and I allow, and I trust that repair continues even in silence. And so it is. Thank you.